Well, there is Stuart, Mike. Quite a big engine, well, very big engine. Dwarfs that number 9 behind it. Here we go. Lovely, look at that. In really good condition. No knocking, very smooth. Tip top engine. We've got the wooden band in there around the cylinder. Can't believe it. So I don't think I'm going to do anything to this really, other than repaint the bits that are red. The green's in good condition. Whole engine's in good condition. Doesn't need stripping down at all. Works perfectly well. So I think I'll just take those red bits off, give them a coat of red, put them back. You can do baseboards. Socket's got one of Stuart's breadboards there as a base. Oh, silly me, that's not its chipboard. So there you go. Well worth every penny. Thank you.